Welcome to another episode of AI Frontiers, the podcast that dives deep into the cutting edge of artificial intelligence research. Today, under the theme Language AI Unleashed, we're exploring 61 groundbreaking papers from the arXiv preprint server, all published on June 9, 2025, in the field of computer science, computation, and language. Join us on this storytelling journey through AI's linguistic frontier as we uncover breakthroughs shaping how machines understand human communication. Let's set the stage for today's exploration into computation and language research. This episode offers an exciting dive into the latest innovations as captured in these 61 papers. Key themes, standout findings, and innovative methodologies will be unpacked, with a special focus on 3 seminal works that are redefining education, scientific validation, and AI systems. Additionally, future directions for the field will be discussed, along with a peek into how AI tools helped craft this very narrative. Together, let's uncover how artificial intelligence is bridging the gap between human thought and digital logic, paving the way for transformative technologies. This journey promises to reveal not just technical advancements, but also the profound impact on how we interact with the world through language. So settle in as we navigate this fascinating intersection of computation and communication, highlighting the creativity and problem-solving driving this vibrant field forward. To begin, let's understand the field of computation and language, a dynamic subfield of computer science dedicated to enabling machines to process and interact with human language. This area powers everyday tools such as virtual assistants like Siri, translation services like Google Translate, and chatbots encountered online. Its significance is immense, enhancing accessibility for the differently abled, facilitating global communication, and enabling deeper data analysis through text processing. However, challenges persist, including capturing the nuances of context, slang, and cultural quirks, as well as addressing biases embedded in models. The 61 papers from June 9, 2025, sourced from the arXiv preprint server, showcase remarkable innovation amidst these hurdles, reflecting a field actively tackling both technical and ethical complexities. This snapshot of research illustrates the ongoing effort to make machines not just process language, but truly comprehend its messy, beautiful intricacies, bridging raw data with meaningful conversation in ways that are reshaping our world. One of the prominent themes emerging from these 61 papers is the enhancement of large language models, or LLMs, through fine-tuning for specific tasks. A notable example, highlighted by Ma et al., demonstrates how LLMs can provide personalized feedback on student writing by analyzing the process over time, not just the final product. The goal here is to make models more adaptive to niche human needs, tailoring their capabilities to unique contexts. Technically, fine-tuning involves adjusting pre-trained models on targeted datasets to improve performance in specific domains. While this approach significantly boosts precision, it comes with the challenge of requiring substantial computational resources, often limiting accessibility. The relevance of this theme cannot be overstated, as it pushes AI beyond generic responses, enabling applications like virtual tutoring that could transform education. This focus on specialization reflects a broader trend in computation and language research, striving to align powerful technology with individual human experiences, even as it grapples with scalability and resource constraints. Another critical theme in the research is the focus on multilingual support and fairness in AI systems. Efforts are underway to bolster low-resource languages, with studies targeting hate speech detection in languages like Urdu, ensuring safer digital spaces across diverse regions. Additionally, bias audits in content moderation, such as those examining platforms like Twitch, are gaining attention to address how models might reinforce stereotypes or unfair practices. The overarching aim is to ensure inclusivity, making AI technologies equitable and safe for users from varied cultural and linguistic backgrounds. A significant challenge remains: the scarcity of digital data for many global languages, which hinders the development of robust models. This theme underscores the ethical imperative in AI development, striving to prevent technology from widening existing disparities. By prioritizing fairness and representation, researchers are working to create tools that serve humanity broadly, reflecting the diversity of human communication in their design and application. The final major theme from these papers centers on improving reasoning, efficiency, and model evaluation in computation and language. New benchmarks are being developed to test capabilities like scientific claim validation, as explored by Javaji et al., revealing where models excel or falter in real-world scenarios. Simultaneously, efforts to enhance efficiency aim to create lightweight models that can operate on everyday devices without draining resources. Technically, benchmarking involves using curated datasets to measure model performance across diverse tasks, providing a clear yardstick for progress. The relevance of this theme lies in its ability to highlight critical gaps in reliability, especially for high-stakes applications where accuracy is paramount. By focusing on reasoning and optimization, researchers are addressing both the intellectual and practical challenges of AI deployment, ensuring that language models not only think more logically, but also become accessible to users with limited computational power, thus broadening their impact across various sectors. Turning to key findings, several game-changing insights stand out from these 61 papers. First, research by Ma et al. Shows that large language models can serve as virtual tutors, offering personalized feedback on student writing with remarkable potential for education. Second, Javaji et al. Reveal that even top models struggle with scientific reasoning, often failing to ground answers in solid evidence, which raises concerns for reliability in critical applications. Third, advancements in hate speech detection for low-resource languages like Urdu mark significant progress towards safer online environments globally. Fourth, a surprising discovery indicates that diverse AI models from different providers often make identical errors, pointing to a risky monoculture in AI development that could impact high-stakes tasks like hiring. Finally, Li et al. Introduce optimization frameworks for compound AI systems, blending numerical and language-based methods to create adaptive, smarter workflows. These findings collectively illustrate the transformative power of current research, while also highlighting persistent challenges that must be addressed to ensure trustworthy and power of current research. Let's now explore the methodologies behind these breakthroughs as outlined in the papers. Fine-tuning is a common approach, tailoring pre-trained models to specific tasks like dialect recognition, though it demands significant computational resources. Prompting strategies offer a cheaper alternative, guiding model outputs with carefully crafted instructions, but results can vary widely based on phrasing. Reinforcement learning enhances reasoning by allowing models to learn through trial and error with rewards, yet it requires vast datasets and time. Benchmarking, using real-world datasets from web searches or scientific papers, provides a critical measure of performance gaps, though creating comprehensive datasets remains challenging. Lastly, hybrid approaches combine diverse techniques, such as genetic algorithms with language models, to tackle complex problems, offering innovative solutions but requiring expert knowledge to implement. These methodologies represent a craftsman's toolkit, each with unique strengths and limitations, collectively driving progress in computation and language by addressing both technical precision and practical application in varied contexts. Focusing on specific contributions, the first selected paper, titled Automatic Generation of Inference-Making Questions for Reading Comprehension Assessments, by Ma et al., published in 2025, addresses a pressing need in education technology. This work automates the creation of diagnostic questions for students in grades 3 to 12, assessing their ability to make inferences from texts, thus saving teachers countless hours. Using GPT-4o, with techniques like chain-of-thought prompting, the team achieved a stunning 93.8% quality rate for generated questions, validated by high agreement among human raters. However, precision in targeting specific inference types remains a challenge, with only 42.6% accuracy in categorization. This research holds transformative promise for personalized education, scaling custom assessments in ways previously unimaginable. It was chosen for its direct real-world impact, bridging technology with learning needs, and reflecting a broader trend of AI enhancing human tasks. The potential to tailor education to individual gaps underscores a future where every student could benefit from customized support, highlighting both opportunity and areas for refinement. The second spotlight paper, Can AI Validate Science?, Benchmarking LLMs for Accurate Scientific Claim Evidence Reasoning by Javaji et al., published in 2025, tackles a crucial question: can language models reliably link scientific claims to evidence in research papers? A benchmark called Claim Bench, comprising over 300 claim evidence pairs across scientific domains, was developed to test 6 models, including GPT-4 and Claude, using divide-and-conquer reasoning strategies. Results show that even top closed-source models struggle with the logical complexities of full papers, though step-by-step prompting offers improvement at a high computational cost, while open-source models lag further. This work is significant for setting a new evaluation standard, emphasizing the need for reliable AI in high-stakes scientific tasks like fact-checking. It was selected for its timely warning about current limitations and its practical tool for progress. The findings call for hybrid systems that blend language processing with structured logic, pointing to a future where AI could potentially accelerate research validation, provided these reasoning gaps are addressed through continued innovation. The third highlighted paper, Compound AI Systems Optimization, a survey of methods, challenges, and future directions by Li et al., published in 2025, offers a comprehensive review of optimizing complex AI ecosystems. Rather than focusing on a single experiment, it maps strategies for enhancing compound systems, language models, paired with other algorithms for large-scale tasks like automating research. Optimization is broken into numerical tweaks, such as data-driven tuning, and language-based feedback, where AI receives guidance in plain English. Challenges include balancing component performance and managing high costs, with adaptive feedback identified as a promising future direction. This matters as compound systems underpin next-generation technology in fields like healthcare and finance. The paper was chosen for its big-picture vision, uniting fragmented AI development efforts and providing a roadmap for innovation. Its emphasis on enabling non-experts to shape AI through language-guided tweaks hints at democratized technology design, reflecting a pivotal shift towards scalable, efficient systems that could redefine how complex challenges are addressed across industries. Looking ahead, the future of computation and language holds exciting possibilities, as suggested by these papers. Progress is evident in models becoming more versatile, inclusive, and efficient, supporting low-resource languages and powering education. However, challenges like persistent bias, inconsistent performance on subtle tasks, and high computational costs remain. Potential directions include embedding structured reasoning with symbolic AI or knowledge bases for precision in fields like science and law. Prioritizing fairness and inclusivity, especially for diverse languages, is critical to prevent AI from exacerbating disparities. Boosting efficiency to run powerful models on everyday devices also stands as a key goal. Collaboration across technology, ethics, and education sectors will be essential to navigate these challenges. What might the next 5 years hold for AI language breakthroughs? Will these hurdles be overcome swiftly, or is a longer journey ahead? Thoughts are welcomed as this frontier continues to evolve, shaping how machines and humans communicate in increasingly meaningful ways. A brief note on how this presentation was crafted reveals the role of AI tools in its synthesis. Content was generated using GPT-Grok, specifically the Grok 3 model, to distill insights from the 61 papers. Text-to-speech synthesis for audio narration was powered by DeepGram, ensuring clear delivery of these slides. Visual elements were created using image generation tools from OpenAI, enhancing the storytelling experience. While human experts reviewed the content for accuracy, some oversights may still exist, and transparency is maintained by providing all references for further exploration. This blend of AI assistance and human oversight mirrors the collaborative spirit of the field itself, leveraging technology to handle vast information while ensuring critical judgment guides the final output. It's a testament to how AI is not just a subject of study, but also a practical tool in disseminating cutting-edge research to a broader audience. For those eager to stay updated on the latest in AI research, subscribing to the AI Frontiers YouTube channel is highly encouraged. Under the banner of AI Frontiers, this platform serves as a trusted source for cutting-edge discoveries and compelling narratives in artificial intelligence. Regular updates bring the newest breakthroughs and discussions straight to listeners and viewers. Joining the conversation with the hashtag #AFrontiers offers a chance to engage with a community passionate about technology's future. Hitting the subscribe button ensures that no insight or innovation is missed, keeping everyone connected to the rapidly evolving world of AI. Whether exploring language models, neural networks, or other frontiers, this channel promises to deliver accessible, thought-provoking content that inspires curiosity and fosters dialogue among enthusiasts, researchers, and professionals alike. Thank you for joining this journey through computation and language on AI frontiers. A key takeaway stands clear. AI is transforming how we interact with language, from education to safety, yet significant challenges remain in reliability and fairness. Listeners are encouraged to dive into the reference papers for deeper insights or share thoughts using the hashtag #AIFrontiers. Staying curious and continuing to learn is vital as we navigate this dynamic field together. In this podcast, we bring you the latest breakthroughs in computer science and AI, straight from the arXiv preprint server. From neural networks to quantum computing, complex research is simplified so everyone can stay ahead. Whether a developer, researcher, or tech enthusiast, AI Frontiers keeps you informed daily. Thanks for listening. If you enjoyed this episode, subscribe for daily updates. See you tomorrow with more cutting-edge AI insights. Disclaimer: this video uses content from the arXiv preprint server under its API terms of use. AI Frontiers is not affiliated with or endorsed by the arXiv preprint server.